Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So if you want an iPhone fan or an Apple products fan, so this video is for you. So currently in India an iPhone 13 Pro costs more than 1.5 lakhs, and it costs more than that if you are looking for the better features and everything. But you also have a dream of achieving it an iPhone phone. So yes, you can have it now. So you know about Gionee, right? You have heard this name before. It was so popular, but now it is gone. But they have launched a new phone in China which is exactly the same as the iPhone, Gionee G13 Pro. The fun thing is that they even copy the name also, like iPhone 13 Pro, and their name is Gionee G13 Pro. And the more fun fact is that the price is so cheap that every single person could own it if it come in India. Now currently at China, the price is like 529 yuan, and in US $83. And converting into Indian rupee, it will cost like 6,200 rupees, which is very cheap comparing to the original iPhone price. But yes, it also matters with the features and everything. But if you are like having an aim to own just to show people, you can buy that one when it comes to India. So if you like this video, even like it has 32 GB and 4 GB RAM. So if you like this video, please subscribe for more, and I will meet you on the next video.